Hi friend, it is a toss horizontal milling machine. We are introducing the toss horizontal, very good and excellent condition. You see the machine condition, very good. Introducing toss fa5u horizontal milling machine, imported piece. This piece coming from Czechoslovakia, and the machine is too good, excellent condition. You see the machine. Now machine cleaning time. I saw the view of the size, exactly size of this machine is too good and excellent condition. Please keep watching our channel and subscribe us, Stark Machine Tools.